Preparing a business proposal is quite challenging, guys, especially that it was my first time. But I am so blessed because as a leader, I have such a great teammate. Yes, they are so very helpful and wala ko nila pasagdai, guys. And of course, ato sa silang palanggaon. So, immeasurable kayo ang kakapoy sa pag-prepare of business plan, but no worries, kay worth it sad kaayo ang among preparation. So thank you so much to my teammates for such a wonderful work.
My body. Ha? Kita ng lubot ha? Ikaw eh? Ate siya? Hindi ko. Nabutong ka. Tanda. Oh. Ha?
Hoy, kamo! Dili mo pa na. Nagdana mo dana. Jason!
Oo.
Dili na ko to. Dili mo pa. Directly. Kami. So, time lapse na eh. Video. So, karon, we are here, guys.
Yung katawa buang.
Unang kakatawa, baliw. Kani ko na. Color tank. Kani color tank. Uy, ay full ka, mga wat. Ay, full ka. Taas. Dito mo taas pati sa kamay.
Buisit, lain nagbaho. O sa imong masulti nga 20 city na karong tuiga?
I think tayo pa grateful. Kinabot ko din.
Why are you grateful?
Malamang labot ko ikaw, duduan pa.
I am the reporter here.
Kahit 15 mil minat. Sa 15 mil! Iuli! Ay, tapi nila pag-abot sa ala, mga million na nag-transfer ito. Guys, chicken na mo kaya. Winner na ako. Tas na na mo. Tanawa yan kita. Ako nang nawo. Matagay mo to. Nauna mo.
I am Amber Rose Dimas, the manager, and
Asan laman. So, hi guys! Today is... Say date ron, te? Masay pizza ron? The 14th of March. So, defense is done. Samong beses proposal. Oh, it's too tiring, but it's rewarding. Then guys, hoy, at least nigikan nga fresh, ni pauli nga dilitan tong haggard. Fifth check after the defense. Ayan guys.
How is your defense?
And it goes so well. Next kayo. Guys, if you would like to purchase, visit our Artisans Facebook page.
Okay, are you convinced, Mr. Salvador?
We are convinced.